Chances are that you are looking for ways to make money online and you have done many searches and have come across the terms affiliate marketing and dropshipping. What is better, you ask? What will make more money? Which is easier? Well, just by doing your due diligence, you are very much on the right track. The differences and similarities between dropshipping and affiliate marketing are plentiful. Let's go over some of these points here in this video, shall we? Before we do that, please click the like button. That really helps out this channel. It would be most appreciated. Now, first off, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote a product and earn a commission for the customer you referred to the company. When the buyer buys the product through your referral link, the owner of the product pays you a commission. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to share your referral link to get people to buy products. For everyone who completes a purchase, the owner of the product pays you a commission, which is often calculated as a percentage. For example, a product owner can decide to pay you 60% commission on every purchase made using your referral link. If the product costs $100 and any purchase is made through your referral link, you get 60% of $100, which is $60. So for every unit of the product you sell, you earn $60 affiliate commission. What is dropshipping? With dropshipping, you find the manufacturer of a product who sells it to you at a very discounted rate and, in turn, promote the product even without having them in your possession. When someone makes an order, you simply place their order, and the owner of the product ships it directly to the buyer instead of you doing it yourself. Just like in affiliate marketing, you do not create an inventory of the products or keep track and store stock. You are paid a commission percentage for every sale in affiliate marketing. Your earnings in dropshipping comes from the difference between the price you sell the item for and the original selling price that you are charged for. The actual concept of dropshipping is that you are reselling a product and getting income from the profit margin you placed on the item. If the price of an item is set at $200 by the manufacturer, and you sell the product to your customer for $300, you would have made a $100 profit on that transaction. That is a pretty good markup. You are free to list that product at any price that the market is willing to pay for it. The difference is all yours to keep. Both affiliate marketing and dropshipping allows you to make passive income and are both highly profitable ways to make money online without any direct action from your end in terms of creating the product nor keeping inventory or goods in stock. Both dropshipping and affiliate marketing top the list of profitable businesses to start online in a short period of time. Another awesome similarity that affiliate marketing and dropshipping share is the fact that they both require very little startup capital to get started. The low barrier to entry makes it possible for the average Joe to change his life by making money on a high scale. These points all make for low-risk business models. Just pick a great high-converting product and sales page, then promote. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing both requires the marketing skills of the marketer to be fairly strong, and it is a plus that he or she is knowledgeable with using methods such as social media and pay-per-click advertising to get visitors to the adverts and web pages in order to make money for his business. So what are the differences between affiliate marketing and dropshipping? Well, affiliate marketing comes along with its own ad copy on its own high-converting web pages most times. With dropshipping, you have to have the ability to grow your own brand and learn how to write compelling ad copy on your own. The products offered to your customers through affiliate marketing is always the product of the original creator or manufacturer of the product. There are some dropshipping models where it is possible to sell the products as your own. As a dropshipper, you can name your own price, but affiliate product owners set their own price for their products and your commission. Also, within affiliate marketing there is a phenomenon where random buyers bypass your affiliate link and buy directly from the creator or another affiliate or him or herself. These are very important differences to take note of. A great thing about affiliate marketing is that there is no need for you to deal with customer support. As a dropshipper, you will have to handle disgruntled customers on your own or hire a team for this function. What comes along with this, of course, is a positive point of having full ownership over your customer information, which allows you to cultivate relationships leading to future purchases. Unless you set up a capture page before sending your buyers to the sales page of the affiliate product, you will not have the chance to catch the information of the buyer. In any event, you are giving the creator free leads that they will have access to. Another downside to affiliate marketing is the stiff competition that comes with the many other affiliates promoting the same products that you are. This is something that can be avoided with some trial and error with a dropshipping business. So what is the bottom line? Can you make more money as an affiliate or a dropshipper? Both of these business models will allow you to earn a very good living. Yes, you could completely live a very good lifestyle solely from the income generated from the efforts you put forth. With the continued incorporation of marketing growth and uses of tools such as websites, sales funnels and autoresponders, one can clearly make a large amount of money with either dropshipping or affiliate marketing. It just depends on the person's interest, skill set and goals. The possibilities are endless when it comes to these two models. It is up to you to make the decisions and commitments needed to be successful. The sky is the limit. You could even start a website offering dropshipped items with affiliate products included within the pages of your site. Imagine that. Whatever you desire, just take action. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please give it a like. That will greatly help out the channel, and go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for updates on new videos like this one.